content creator or a business that creates compelling, informative videos, then YouTube can be a game changer for you. Not only does this platform help you get discovered, but it also assists you in growing a following and expanding your own business. Time and again, YouTube has been coming up with new features on its platform to cater the growing requirements of its user base. Recently, YouTube has introduced a number of caption and audio functionalities, some of which already has gone live and the others will be available in the upcoming months. To make streams more accessible, artists can now enable live audio caption for all live stream in English. Previously, this feature was available to creators with over 1,000 subscribers. In the future month, YouTube wants to expand live auto captions to all 13 captioning languages: Dutch, English, French, German, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, Turkish, and Vietnamese are among the language supported. Search caption transcripts on mobile is another feature of YouTube that will be seen later this year. The platform will test the ability to search for certain terms by typing in the search bar at the top of the transcript. Apart from this, the company will be experimenting the auto translation for caption for Android and iOS smartphones. Currently, this is only available on the desktop. Another new feature of YouTube is multi-audio track and descriptive audio feeds, which are currently available only to a limited number of creators. This feature will provide the ability to add additional audio tracks to videos in order to give multi-language audio for worldwide audience as well as descriptive audio for those with vision impairment. In addition, YouTube Studio is working on new channel permission that will allow creators to delegate caption and subtitle creation on their video to someone they trust. The functionality was previously introduced under the term subtitle editor. YouTube says it's working on the feature right now and will keep creators informed in the upcoming month. YouTube is working hard to improve accessibility, and we hope that these changes will help creators reach a wider audience. Let us know your feedback for the latest update in the comments section below. We are eager to hear your opinion. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more updates on social media and digital marketing sphere. And don't forget to subscribe to Propel Guru's channel. Hit the like button and ding the bell icon. Thank you for watching.